Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about Windows Update KB5016691 not installing or downloading. If you've got that issue, I'm gonna guide you how you can resolve that. As a first solution, go to the search toolbar and type troubleshoot. You will see troubleshoot settings as a best match. Click on it, and here go to additional troubleshooters. Click on that, and then click on Windows Update, and then click on run the troubleshooter. So if there is any problem with the Windows Update, it will be detected here and it will be resolved. If that didn't work for you, as a second solution which you can apply, go to the search toolbar here and type services. You will see as a best match services. Click on it, and here you need to locate Windows Update. Scroll down, it's almost at the end. Windows Update, double click on it, and then here startup type. If it's not automatic, select automatic, and then click on apply, and then OK. Then go again to Windows Update, service status, click on stop, and then click on start, and then click on OK. Once this is done, scroll up, go to background intelligent transfer service, double click on it, and startup type, put it automatic, and then click on apply, and then OK. Then double click on it again, service status, click stop, and then click start, and then click OK. Once this is done, restart your PC and check if that issue has been resolved. It should have been resolved. If that as well didn't work for you, now let's apply solution number 3, which is we will use Windows Installation Assistant. I have put in the video description 2 links, one for Windows 10 and another for Windows 11. Whichever you are using, you can copy and paste that link. So I'm gonna now go to that link, paste it, and enter. Click on update now and continue with the steps until all updates are completed. That might solve the issue. If that as well didn't work for you, now let's go ahead and apply solution number 4. Stay on this page, scroll down, and you will see here Windows Media Creation Tool. Click on download now, and this may take some time, but make sure you complete this step until the media creation tool is downloaded. Once this is done, this update issue should have been resolved. If that as well didn't work for you, as a last solution which you can apply, you will need to reset Windows Update components. For that, you need to apply few commands, which I have put them in the video description for you to copy and paste them. So I'm gonna minimize this page, and then go to the desktop, right click on it, go to new, and then go to text document, open text document, and here copy and paste the commands. So I'm gonna paste them here, and then go to file, then click on save as, and here you need to name this file. You can name it anything you want, but you should put .bat. So I'm gonna name it commands.bat, commands.bat, and I'm gonna save it on the desktop, and save as type, make it all files, and then click on save. As you can see here, the bat file has appeared. Click on it, and once you click on it, all these commands will run automatically in the command prompt, and once it is done, it will close by itself. Once it is closed, restart your PC and check if the update issue has been resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.